Hello friends, today we'll be talking about NCERT Class 9, Chapter 9, Gravitation. Gravitation. Gravitation is the force of attraction between any two bodies. All the objects in the universe attract each other with a certain amount of force. But in most cases, the force is too weak to be observed due to the large distance of separation. Centripetal force. The force that causes acceleration and keeps the body moving along the circular path is acting towards the center. This force is called the centripetal, meaning center-seeking force. The motion of the moon around the earth is due to the centripetal force. The centripetal force is provided by the force of attraction of the earth. The universal law of gravitation. Newton's law of gravitation states that every object in the universe attracts every other object by a force that is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. The force between two objects is directly proportional to the product of their masses, that is, F is directly proportional to the capital M into small letter m. And their force between two objects is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. That is, F is directly proportional to 1 by d square. Combining equations, we get F is proportional to capital M multiplied by small m by d square, or F is equal to G capital M into small m by d square, where G is the universal gravitation constant. Value of G is equal to 6.673 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square kg raised to minus 2. Free fall of an object. When an object is thrown upward, it reaches certain height. Then it starts falling down towards the earth. It is because the earth's gravitational force exerts on it. This fall under the influence of the earth is called a free fall of an object. Acceleration due to gravity. The uniform acceleration produced in a free-falling object due to the gravitational force of the earth is called acceleration due to gravity. It represented by g and it always acts toward the center of the earth. Value of g is the surface of the earth. The force acting on an object is F is equal to G capital letter M small letter m by r square. M is equal to mass of earth, small letter m is equal to mass of an object. R is equal to radius of the earth. The weight of an object on the moon. The weight of an object on the moon is the force with which the moon attracts that object. The mass of the moon is less than that of the earth. Due to this, the moon exerts lesser force of attraction on the objects. Weight of the object on the moon is equal to 1 by 6 into its weight on the earth. Mass. The mass of an body is the quantity of matter contained in it. Greater the mass, greater the inertia. Mass is a scalar quantity. SI unit of mass is kilogram, kg. Mass of a body is constant and does not change from place to place. Weight. The force with which an object is attracted towards the center of the earth is called the weight of an object. Force is equal to m into A, case of earth F is equal to m into g. But the force of attraction of the earth on an object is called weight. W, so W is equal to m into g. So weight is a force and its SI unit is Newton. It depends on small letter g and its vector quantity. Thrust. The force acting on an object perpendicular to the surface is called thrust. The effect of thrust per unit area is called pressure. Pressure is equal to force by area. Unit Newton by square meter. SI unit is Newton by meter square or Pascal. Factors on which pressure depends. Pressure depends on two factors. Force applied, area of surface over which force acts. Buoyancy. The upward force experienced by an object when it's immersed into a fluid which is called force of buoyancy. It acts in upward direction and it depends on the density of the fluid. Density. The mass per unit volume is called density of an object. If m is the mass and v is the volume, then density is d. Density is equal to mass by volume. SI unit is equal to kg by meter cube. Archimedes principle. When a body is immersed fully or partially in a liquid, it experiences an upward force that is equally to the weight of the fluid displaced by it. Applications of Archimedes principle. It is used in determining relative density of a substance. It is used in designing ships and submarines. Hydrometers and lactometers are made on this principle. It is because of the shape made of iron and steel floats in water, whereas a small piece of iron sinks in it.